Hello class. So today I want to show you quickly how to package a file. So what I did, I have my file open, and then let me make sure I'm in InDesign. I'm gonna go up to File at the top of my screen. I'm gonna go down to Package, and then I look in Package. It gives me this pre-flight right here. The first thing I see is I have 5 links found, 0 modified, 0 missing, 0 inaccessible, but 4 use RGB color. So the RGB color, if you're printing this, you want to definitely change those to CMYK. For the project's sake, you don't really need to do it just because we're not going to actually print these. But what I would do is I would go open each file in Photoshop and then change them to from RGB to CMYK, and that will allow you to print these all in CMYK. Essentially what happens if you print an RGB image at most printers, it'll become more saturated in color, which will essentially make it darker. So all your colors will come out darker than you anticipate. So you always want to try to make things CMYK if you can. Sometimes you have a mistake and it slips through and it's okay, but usually the colors are a little bit more saturated if you use RGB colors on a printing press. So that's what that is. So I'm going to click, so I have 6 fonts used, 0 missing and 4 embedded. So I'm going to click Package. It says it must be saved, so I'm going to click Save. I'm going to find a spot for it on my desktop just right now. I'm going to click Save. And what I want to include, I want to have fonts, I want to have graphics, updated graphic links. So if something wasn't updated, like if you didn't know that you hadn't updated it yet, it'll update that in IDML and include PDF. And you can specify what kind of PDF you want. Only thing you can't have on this PDF are your printer marks. So if you want to have your printer marks, you'd have to go and save those separately. So I'm going to click Package and click OK, and it's just going to package everything. Alright, so now that I have my package, I saved it to my desktop somewhere. Simple layout folder. Alright, so what I want to do now, so I see I have my PDF, my InDesign, and my fonts, and any of the links that I had in the file. So what I want to do with that, to upload it, I'm going to right click on it and say compress. If you're on a PC, you can right click and say, I think it might be compress as well. So compress it to a zip folder like this, and you're going to upload that zip folder to Canvas, and that's it. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know via email.